Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Hunter Roulette crashing or not working or any other problem on Android devices. So let's go through it. The first thing that I always suggest to fix any kind of issue on phone is to simply restart your device. For that, simply click on power button and volume up button, and here you can see restart option. Simply click on it. After your device restarts, try to launch the game and then check if you can play the game easily. If not, the second method is to force close the game. So what you have to do is simply, if you are playing the game, then click on here three line icon and simply you can see cross icon. Simply click on it and it will close the game completely. And after this, try to launch the game once again and then check if it works. If not, then next solution is to force stop the game. For that, simply tap on the game, click on eye icon, and here you can see force stop option. Simply click on force stop and then click on OK. This will force close the game, force stop the game completely, and then try to launch the game and then check if it works. If not, try to clear the cache of the game. So simply click on storage and cache option. Here you can see clear storage and clear cache option. Simply click on clear cache, and once done, try to launch the game on your device and then check if this works for you. If not, next method is to grant permission. For that, simply click on permissions over here and now check if what permissions are pending. So here you can see no permissions are allowed. So simply click on camera, click on allow only while using the app, and then go back. Now do the same thing for the others as well, and this way you can allow the permissions and then check if the game is working. If you still face the issue, then you need to check whether the game needs any update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Hunter Roulette. Here you can see, here you have to look if any update option is available. If any update is there, simply click on update option, and after your game is updated, now launch the game and check if you can play without any further problem. The next solution suggested is to update your phone as well. So simply go to settings, go below, and then click on system update option. Here you can see if there is any update pending for your device. If any update is available, simply click your device to the latest version and your phone will be updated. After that, try to launch the game and check if this works for you. If not, the next method is to close all apps. Check if any apps is running in the background. Simply close all the apps and now try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, the final method suggested is to uninstall the game and then reinstall. For that, simply click over here and you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it and then click on uninstall. Once you uninstall the game, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Hunter Roulette game, and when it comes, simply click on install. Once it's installed, now try to launch the game on your device and then check if you can play the game without any issue. So all these are the best solutions to fix Hunter Roulette game crashing or not working or keep stopping error on your Android devices. So that's all for now. Thank you.